Yo, what's up? I'm Coach Rich Thurman. I'm here in Singapore. Before we get started, make sure you smash the subscribe button so you never miss a post from me. I'm here with my wife Yana, and today we're going to talk about Happy Baby and how you can upgrade or use that as a training position. So I'm going to ask Yana to move into Happy Baby. So she's here in Happy Baby pose. And what you'll see is most of the time it's kind of a resting pose, right? Like people just kind of hang out here and it's an enjoyable space. I'm gonna make that less enjoyable because that's how I operate. I make things less enjoyable. So this is a great training opportunity. Why? Because now we're at like an end range of hip flexion. And so this is a great opportunity to train that range of hip flexion. So if you wanted to get more range of motion, which obviously you don't really need much more range of motion in this position here if you're this far. Some people may be, but you don't need more range of motion, but you need to be strong here. So one of the things that I like to do is positional isometrics. So what I'll ask Yana to do is her hands are now resistance, and what she's gonna do is she's gonna imagine trying to drive up towards the sky. So she's using her stuff here, all of this leg stuff, her hips, her hamstrings, all that to try and drive up towards the sky, so contracting all that tissue there. And then what she can do positionally is she can begin to pull away from the hands and try and bring her knees down towards her body even further. So contracting the hip flexor stuff, trying to pull her legs further down towards her. Okay, so that's a great opportunity for you to train that tissue in that specific position and improve the strength in that range. Oftentimes what happens with a lot of the yoga people that I see or that I train is that they come to me with certain issues, and oftentimes it's because they have a lot of range of motion but not a lot of strength and control at that range of motion. So this is a great way to start thinking about creating strength at those end ranges with positional isometrics. If you like this video, make sure you smash the like button and share it with somebody who needs this.